In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on GoHighLevel. We'll walk through a quick, reliable process that uses a ready-made template so you can get a professional-looking page online fast. I'll explain what you're clicking and why, and share a few practical tips along the way. Once you're in your GoHighLevel account, start by clicking on Sites in the left-hand navigation. This area is the home for anything web-related inside your workspace. Think of it as the central hub where your websites and funnels live. So going here first keeps everything organized in one place. Next, select Funnels. In GoHighLevel, a funnel is a focused sequence of pages designed to guide visitors toward a specific action, like submitting a form or booking an appointment. A landing page typically sits inside a funnel, even if it's just a single page. Choosing funnels makes it simple to manage that page and its related steps together. This structure also makes tracking conversions and future split tests straightforward. Click New Funnel to create a fresh container for your landing page. For this example, choose from Templates. Using a template saves time, prevents design guesswork, and ensures the layout is mobile responsive out of the box. It also gives you proven sections, like headlines, benefits, and call-to-action areas, that you can quickly tailor to your offer without starting from scratch. Now click Continue. You'll see a gallery of options. Use the search bar to look up the niche you want. Try keywords that match your industry or your page's goal, terms like real estate, fitness, coaching, or lead generation. If your offer is seasonal or localized, include keywords that reflect that context. As you browse, pay attention to the Hero section, the clarity of the call to action, and how the form is presented. A clean headline, concise copy, and a single primary button usually convert best. Also consider how the template handles trust elements, like testimonials or badges, and make sure it looks great on mobile, since most visitors will see your page on a phone. When you find a design that fits, click Choose. GoHighLevel will add that template to your new funnel, ready for customization. From here, you'll be able to edit the text, swap images, and align colors and fonts with your brand, all within the Visual Builder. That's it. You've successfully created a landing page using a template inside a funnel. Follow these steps anytime you need a new page, and you'll launch faster with fewer design headaches.